In today's video, I'll teach you how to list an item on Facebook Marketplace. First of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Tap on the marketplace icon that you can see at the top. After that, you'll be able to access the Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to list an item, tap on the sell option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be able to create the new listing. You can see the options for items, vehicles, homes for rent or sell. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option items. Now after you do that, you'll be able to create the new listing for that item. You can add the photos. Likewise, you'll be able to add the title, price, category, condition, description, etc. If you want to add the photos, tap on this option add photos. After that, you'll be able to select the photos from your gallery. Simply tap on the photo that you would like to add and tap on this option next. Keep in mind you can add up to 10 photos. Now after that, enter the title over here. Likewise, enter the price. Also select the category over here. After you do that, also select the condition by tapping on this option condition. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now you can also enter the description if you want. It is completely optional. Likewise, you can also edit the location by tapping on this option edit that you can see on your screen. Also, you'll be able to see other options. You'll be able to find the options like auto reply to availability messages. If you want to auto reply, simply toggle this button on. Likewise, you'll be able to see the more details and listing options over here. You can adjust the settings according to your choice. After you do that, tap on the publish option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. So that is how you add an item to listing on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.